Alright, so in this video I'll show you guys the steps on how to fix Cash App not letting you link your card onto your Cash App. So first thing you want to do is just open up Cash App. Make sure you have it to the latest update. Now once you updated the newest Cash App version, all you have to do is just go to the profile, then click on Link Bank. Now it's going to bring you to this page where you have to enter your credit card or debit card details. All you have to do is just enter your debit card. And I'll show you a step if it doesn't work. So if it doesn't work, just exit out. Then go to support. Once you're on support, you can see this page. Then just click on Cash App support. Once you're here, just type, follow what I type in. Now once you have it typed in, just click enter, and they should be able to help you fix that.